Welcome to Epoch News, bite-sized news brought to you by Sci-Fi Pool, every epoch. I'm Fries, and today is the 18th of March 2023, and Cardano is in Epoch 400. Let's get right into the headlines. IOG has released Node version 1.35.6 on March 16th with dynamic peer-to-peer networking. This automates peer selection, enhances performance, resilience, and decentralization. In our next story, Milkomeda announced that it is testing smart contracts for liquid staking. This means users would be able to receive Layer 1 APY or staking rewards, as well as the APY from the Milkomeda D app. Looking a bit further afield, Microsoft is exploring integration of a crypto wallet in its Edge browser, and Cardano seems to have been overlooked for the supported cryptocurrencies. As one Twitter user said, thank goodness no one really uses Edge anyway. In NFT news, apparently 420,000 NFTs is not enough, since Hosky token announced a 10k collection this epoch. As always with Hosky, details were sparse and subject to rugging, but according to a Discord announcement, minting will be based on points, which will be earned by owning the existing NFTs. And the art won't be pixel this time, and royalties may or may not be 6.9%. In IOG's weekly development report, there was a small but exciting mention of Mithril. Mithril is a stake-based multi-signature scheme that leverages the existing Cardano network to make snapshots of all or part of the blockchain, which improves the speed and efficiency of syncing for nodes. It's in its final stages of development, they say, and might soon launch on the mainnet. And that's it for the Epoch News for this epoch. And don't forget to give us a like and keep your ADA safe in a cold wallet. And stake with Sci-Fi Pool if you like what we're doing. See you next epoch.